Yo, so I waited like a long time to be able to have a moment like this. So check this out. Pop on Veneers. So I saw the advertisement and it's kind of skeptical. Did a little research, couple of Google searches, and I like what I saw. So this is looking like a jagged wolf, but check this out. They snap on in place. The top, the bottom. After, I look like a whole different person. Never in my whole entire life have I been wanting to smile or even knowing how to smile. So at 55 years old, look at y'all. Your boy got shiny teeth. I love these pop-on veneers. Takes a little to get used to talk to and through. So I just had them 4 days, but I wanted to wear them before I actually said anything or showed anybody. But these are my pop-on veneers. This is my smile. And just in case you forgot, this is what my smile was. Yeah, made the difference. One more again. Voila. Top. Bam. I can smile, y'all.